Okay, we are going to look at how to set up your notification preferences. So I'm into Canvas. I'm in as a test student. You'll notice my menu right up here in the upper right hand corner. We have test student, and if you log in as yourself, your name will be registered right here. Then we have inbox, where we get our email. We have settings, is what we're going to look at. Then you have log out, and if you have help, you can get help with anything that you need to know about in Canvas through the online help. Okay, but for setting up our notifications, we are going to go to settings. Once we are in settings, we are at the student information page, and you are going to go over here to the menu on the left hand side, and the third one down is notifications, and you're going to click on notifications. Now, your email should automatically be your school email because that's the one that you've already signed up with. If you have added to this your text number with your cell phone or a personal email, then you will have a second and even a third column over here. But for my test student account, I've done my original email. Okay, so let's look at the categories that you can get notifications in. You have course activity right here first. Course activity relates to any of the content that we are doing. Due dates, grading policies, course content if I add an assignment. Files, announcements, grading, tells you when grades have come through to your gradebook. Invitations I may send you, and submission comments if I make any comments and you have that you want to be notified, it will come in here. Then you have the discussion category, which will relate to online discussions if you want to be noticed when there's a discussion made or when a discussion posted. This would be like if there is a discussion assigned and you want to be notified when somebody else makes a comment. That would come through here. Conversations relate to the emails and messages that you receive while you're in Canvas. So if you want to get those as soon as possible, then you need to do the little check mark. Scheduling, we have student appointment setups. We have appointment signups, appointment cancellations, appointment availability, and calendar. And then the last two categories are groups. When you're put into group, a membership alert. So if I sent out a message and you were in that group, you would get it. And then, of course, administrative notifications. Okay, your choices for setting up. So if I want a due date, my choices are the check mark is to notify me right away. The clock is once a day. The calendar is once a week. The X is not at all. Okay? So if I decided I wanted this one as soon as possible, I do the check mark. So you have to go through, make the decision of when you want to be notified for each of these items. You're going to decide daily, as soon as possible, daily, weekly, or not at all. And notice that your weekend notifications will be sent Saturday between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. So it comes Saturday morning if you have a weekly announcement. Okay, so that is your setups for notifications. So if you have any questions once you're doing this, just please let me know so I can help you out. I'm more than happy to help you out, but you need to let me know. So good luck with setting up your notifications.